Okay, I just wanted to do a quick Boxycharm unboxing. I have been getting Boxycharm for at least 3 or 4 years. When Corona hit, I did cut it out for like 2 months, but then they just kept coming out with good products. So I was like, you know what, gotta treat myself. So I resubscribed, and last month I was super disappointed in what I got. I was like not happy with what I got, so I didn't even bother to show it even on Instagram. It wasn't worth showing. And that's the thing with Boxycharm. It's like sometimes it's really great and you're getting your like full $27 value, because it's $25 for the base box. And then whatever tax, so it's $27. They charge me $27 every month. If you want to subscribe to the Boxy Premium, I believe it's $37. And then the Boxy Luxe, which is every 3 months, is $50. So I used to subscribe to the Luxe and the base. Now I'm just subscribing to the base. This month, I feel like it's worth showing. So this month, the first thing I'm gonna show you is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. I love their formula. Like when I saw that I got this, even though some of the colors I may not use, like this whole side, this whole top row, I used that today on my eye look. So I actually used everything, but I didn't use this beige color. But I did use all 4 of these colors today, and I told you that I do put makeup on. So this box right here, or this palette right here, retails for $36. So that is, you know, over the price of the box. Violet Voss formula is absolutely amazing. I love them. I have 3 of their other big palettes of theirs, and I absolutely love it. So I was really thrilled to get the Violet Voss palette in this box. Now, something I actually chose to receive. So like the month before, several weeks before, they send you an email where you can choose a product. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I actually chose to get it. And I've purchased this before and returned it. So I had used this during the winter months, and it was way too drying and thick under my eyes. I just didn't like the way it looked. I felt like it looked really cakey. So I don't know if it's the time of the year or maybe the setting powder I was using, which I don't think it's the setting powder because I'm currently still using that setting powder. I just think at the time it was just too thick and cakey, and I didn't like it, so I returned it. And I even think that I got the same color. So I chose the color Shortbread. It has a yellow tone to it, which I like to help brighten up. But this concealer is a decent concealer, and it retails for $29. So not a bad deal at all. I forgot to bring it. I got a REALHER I Am Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. And I really liked it. I used it today on my eyebrows. It was really easy. Sorry, I forgot to grab it. My husband's asleep in the bedroom, so I didn't grab it. It's just a typical eye pencil. It's like the Anastasia one. What else? L'Oreal, the skinny, it's like a micro brow pencil. And this retails for $16, and it was a really good eye pencil. Now, would I pay $16 for it? I don't think so. I don't like spending money on something if I know I could find that on a cheaper version. So I would probably go back and purchase the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil or the L'Oreal eyebrow pencil. Those two are very equivalent and, you know, the same style and everything. So this is a really good eyebrow pencil, but unless they had a sale, I wouldn't repurchase it. But I do enjoy it. So I do enjoy it, so I can tell you that it's a really good eyebrow pencil. If you feel like spending the $16, then by all means, it's a great pencil. But I know that I can find it, you know, sometimes you can find, when Ulta does their 21 Days of Beauty, you can find the Anastasia half off, stuff like that. That's what I look for when I'm looking for my eyebrow stuff. Okay, something I did not try. This is the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum by MineTan Body and Skin. And this is retailing for $44. It's a sleep serum, so it's something I would use at night. So that's why I didn't use it. Let me just get a feel for, see how it, okay, so it is a white lotiony formula. And it doesn't feel thick at all. It feels very watery, like, I mean, it feels like lotion, but wow, I mean, my hand feels really nice now. So, and the scent on this, It's really nice. Some people may not like the fragrance, but it smells very tropical. It smells like I have suntan lotion or something like that on, but without that SPF scent. Wow, that's really nice. So I will definitely be using this at night. Oh yeah, I really, it's Australian owned, made in the USA. So yeah, vegan friendly, substantially sourced. So it smells really good, and my hand feels really nice, guys, but I can definitely see the difference. This hand just looks smooth, whereas this hand looks all crinkly. So, and then the last thing I got is from, and I don't know if I tell you the retail value of that is $44.95. So the last thing I got is this Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Now, I don't really like velvet style lipsticks. I had gotten one from Maybelline a long time ago, and I don't necessarily like the way it feels on your lips. It just feels weird. But this, and the color on this is just a little bit off. Like I don't really care. Here, I'll put it apply right now. So I don't really care for this color on me. It kind of looks like the inside of their box. It's got a hint of like an orange to it, or just, I don't know. I'm not into these type of colors. Like when it's more blue based, I like it. When it's more orangey brown based, it has to be a certain orangey brown that I prefer. So this color, although, you know, it's nice packaging, it's like a velvet packaging, velvet plastic. And then I don't know if you saw the applicator on that. It's got this, you know, nice spongy applicator. I don't really care for the formula, but it did wear away really nicely. But I felt like my lips looked a little dry when it was wearing away. So this is something that I would not repurchase. And these retail for $26. So it says velvety matte color, hold, blur effect, and smooth lips, ultralight creamy texture, extreme comfort. Yes, it is. No, I'm lying. It's not extremely comfortable. It feels drying on my lips. So that's something I would not repurchase. So that, I will put up the value of everything, and then what I would repurchase, or what I would purchase on my own. Which is funny because I wouldn't have reached out for this. I would not have reached for the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, but now that I have it, I'm really excited to try that. This I would have I returned. I've purchased this before and returned, but today I didn't mind it. Today I didn't mind it. I thought it was nice. And then of course this Violet Voss palette. I mean, can you see that? Can you appreciate how pretty that is? Yes. So that's definitely something that I would purchase in the future because I love Violet Voss formula. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys in the next one.
I spend my time, but it's a 24